Good morning, everyone. We are here in front of Igado to find the house of Mr. Abraham Maslow. Excuse me, sir. Do you know where the house of Mr. Abraham Maslow?
Chong Ching Chong Chong.
Chong Chichacho?
Chong Ching Chong Chong.
Ah, Chichacho!
Oh.
Okay, come on. Excuse me, sir.
Wait.
Excuse me, sir. Are you Abraham Maslow?
I am Abraham Maslow. What do you need from me?
I just want to know, and can you explain the self-actualization personality?
Yes. I assume that people are free to shape their own lives and that their most significant motivation is the desire to achieve self-actualization. Sorry. I define a self-actualized person as one who finds fulfillment in doing the best of which he is capable, not in competition with others, but in an effort to become the best me I can be. My key concept is the hierarchy of needs, the highest of which is self-actualization, where individuals maximize their potential. I include not just excelling at one's life work, but devoting oneself to higher social goals. It doesn't seek fame and glory, but finds peace and contentment in the peace and in the inner satisfaction that comes with being the best that can be. Did I answer your question?
Okay, sir. Thank you.